It is hard to believe that it's just been 2 years since ChatGPT entered the scene, ushering us into the era of AI. And this unleashed dynamic changes that have been nonstop since. Let's remember, what does AI need to work? Data, and lots and lots and lots of it. In fact, so much data needs to move from where it is produced, say the edge or data center, to the cloud, that the AI data tsunami is overwhelming networks. Data is growing at a projected 35% per year, while network capacity is barely catching up, just growing at 24%. That difference is what we call the performance gap. This gap is one, overwhelming networks, and two, creating resiliency risks. If the data is not moving, business is not moving, creating risks of outages, stoppages, and poor decision making. When it comes to dealing with the AI data tsunami, there are three essential imperatives to keep in mind. First, not all data and AI are processed the same way. For example, AI data at the edge may need to move to Azure using a combination of Azure IoT and OpenAI. This data may then be combined with operational data collected in the data center and further processed on AWS using cloud. Different operational data may be shared with the Gemini model on Google Cloud, combined with ERP data from Oracle Cloud. All of this means moving terabytes to petabytes of data, not just one time, but day in, day out. Second, the movement of data means the exposure of enterprise, government, or private information, perhaps for the first time. This highly valuable data is lucrative for all threat actors, who may capture now, like what we saw with the Salt Typhoon malware attack on US telco networks, or harvest now, decrypt later with emerging quantum computers. As data is moved, the network must remain fully secure against all threats, today or in the future, because no enterprise wants this trade-off between AI benefits and data loss. And finally, since we are at the early stages of AI, it is a challenge to predict which models and clouds are going to be selected for your enterprise. The model used may change in a selected cloud. That may require the data flow from your ERP system back to an existing model. As your AI architectures change, so must your network. In terms of capacity and connectivity, so gone are the days of paying for long-term contracts for direct connections. Your network must be agile. It must be flexible enough to change at the snap of a finger, or technically speaking, an API call, without committing upfront payments or capacities that you must guess in advance. This is the agility that you need. And we will enable customers to manage the network at scale with AI-powered service management via the SteelHead Central Controller, a platform that focuses on outcomes and automation to be your virtual IT to enable resilient networking in and across your enterprise. Resilient networking demands innovation, new products that serve the massive changes driven by AI, products and services that go far beyond our traditional WAN optimization capabilities. And that is exactly what we are delivering with this launch. RiOS, or our Riverbed operating system, is the software that has powered SteelHead and delivered value to you, our customers, over the past 20 years. Now, RiOS is moving forward to deliver tremendous new value in this age of AI. We are transforming RiOS with new capabilities, and new capabilities need a new name. With leapfrog change, it is time to change how we speak about RiOS. Across the SteelHead product family, we're launching new products for the data center, edge, and cloud. We're introducing the 90 series SteelHead CX appliances. We're also introducing SteelHead RS, a new resilient edge networking solution built on the power of SteelHeads. And we are completely changing virtual and cloud SteelHeads. Let me start with our new top-of-the-line appliance, the SteelHead 8090. Simply put, the 8090 is about twice as performant as our current top-end model, the 7080. The 8090 delivers up to 50 gigabits per second of data movement over an optimized wide area network. It supports multiple 100 gig network interfaces to pull massive amounts of data from the local area network. And here's what you've all been waiting for, the full 90 series update. The SteelHead 8090 that I just shared with you is shipping now. The 4090, our new appliance designed for the edge, for edge data movement, is also available now. The 6090 and 2090 at 2 gigabits per second and 200 megabits per second optimized throughput, respectively, will be available in mid-Q3 2025. RiOS 10 will deliver our fastest data movement on cloud. We are expanding our availability to Oracle and Google Cloud while doubling performance on existing AWS and Azure commercial and gov clouds. SteelHeads will accelerate up to 2 gigabits per second on the WAN. That is up to 20 Gbps of data movement. RiOS 10 on cloud and virtual will utilize built-in TPMs, that is tamper-proof modules, to better secure keys. And if you like what you see now, you will love our cloud consumption capabilities arriving this year. For customers who are moving data back and forth to cloud, you will find that SteelHead Cloud brings 50% lower costs compared to IPsec tunnels or SD-WAN. Quantum computing is starting to transition from academia to reality. Much of the world's data is encrypted using what was thought to be difficult to decrypt algorithms. The imminent arrival of quantum computers risks all of that data, compelling governments around the world to recommend changes to prepare for a post-quantum world. As part of our Resilient Networking mission, RiOS 10 enables post-quantum cryptography, or PQC. From the get-go, Riverbed SteelHead data tunnels implement PQC. And as applications adopt PQC, SteelHeads will be ready. We are introducing the SteelHead Aras, a new resilient networking product for the edge that ensures secure data delivery between edge and core networks across constrained networks. Gartner projects that by 2029, more than 50% of enterprises will be using edge computing. With automated factories and connected technologies, massive amounts of data are produced that demand real-time processing. This demand is met by leveraging edge computing technology to make this data useful with a quick turnaround time. The SteelHead Aras delivers peak performance for applications on the edge by projecting data from the core to edge without any change in software, using the power of the SteelHead for fast transfers while maintaining data in sync at all times with the core. SteelHead Aras ensures secure delivery by encrypting data in transit and at rest. Let's go back to resiliency. Resiliency also means flexibility, because a network cannot remain resilient if it cannot evolve as business needs change. We want to make all of this easy like the click of a button. This is why we are introducing Riverbed Flex subscription. Riverbed Flex is a big leap in our offering to make it very easy to consume our products across many network and application changes. Flex subscription separates our software value, making it available as a pure subscription that can be used in any way across hardware, virtual, or cloud. Let me recap. We are delivering 10 new products powered by our next generation software, RiOS 10, building upon our leadership in the enterprise. These products enable our customers to move data at new speed and scale while remaining secure against new threats, with unprecedented flexibility of use designed for the dynamic age of AI. We are here to help you succeed. We've leveraged our 20-year history in acceleration to deliver the most new products in 7 years. To learn more about the innovations in RiOS 10 or the 10 new products we are introducing, please visit us at riverbed.com/10.